There are more than 200 practice words that you can do. Now come to U. This U is pronounced, we have got two pronunciation here, two sounds. The first sound is U, chota U in Hindi. When it is, we used to speak, we used to recite O, A, I, E, U, U. Similarly here, though Hindi has nothing to do with English here, but this is for practice sake only, then Hindi medium students and teachers particularly will be getting the correct sense of it. So see the short vowel U. It means the tongue is just above the half closed position. The back of the tongue is raised towards the soft plate. The lips are fairly close, rounded, medium opening between the jaws. Now for practice words, how this word is to be, how this U is to be spoken. See, book, look, look here, full, put, could, wolf, cook. Not cook, it is cook. Not look, it is look. So speak like that. Number 8. Again, U is there, but there are two dots. These dots are visarg and they give the length to this particular sound. This is a long vowel. Okay? The tongue is raised almost to close position. The back of the tongue is raised toward the soft plate. The lips are closed, rounded. U. Just speak once again, U. Your lips will be rounded automatically. So, see the words for practice, moon, not moon. Moon is shining. No, moon. I was talking about YOU. This is not spoken as you are. This is spoken as chew. J-U, chew. Okay? Not lose, but it is loose. Not soup, it is soup. Not move, it is move. Not duty, it is duty. Not rule, it is rule. So please give length. The purpose is teaching correct accent, teaching correct sound. And so communication is going to be fantastic. So you will see here, this is opposite V. But the sound of this opposite V, this vocabulary which I am using, it's not practically possible to speak this letter. The sound is O. Only O. It's a short vowel, O. For example, cup, come, luck, shut up, cut down. Who won the match? Never say who won the match. Why we say won? It is won. Who won the match? Who love you? Okay? Speak like that. A short vowel. A tongue is clearly raised. The tongue is nearly raised, halfway between the open and the half open position. The center of tongue is raised. Okay? O. The lips are natural, wide open between the jaws, and practice words are come. One more thing I would like to add here, C-O-M-E. Please don't speak it come. Never speak it co. Speak it co. You must have heard Western people speaking, come here. They don't say come here. They speak come here. Maybe the problem in their accent, but naturally they have created this all kind of heaven on sound side. So they must be speaking correct. So it is ko, not ko, it is ko. Come, look, shut, cut, one, love, rough, flood, does, not does, touch, trouble. All right? All words are very nice to speak. So again, we have number 1 position, 11. This is a. We'll give some length to it, a long vowel. For example, learn. Who have learned this lesson? who is working in the field. What are the terms and the condition? The girls are creating noise, mirth. I heard that people are speaking truth. Burn, pearl, curl. These example can make you, if you do the practice with the help of the instruction, long vowel, tongue is between half closed and half open position. The center of the tongue is raised. The lips are natural, narrow opening between the jaws. When you speak, oh, learn, long vowel. Then number 12, this opposite E. See this opposite E, when you go or you find sometime, if you are looking for a dictionary for some knowing some pronunciation of any word, you will find this word written like this. This is opposite. This is anti-clock, anti-clock. E and opposite of E. That is downward side E. But this sound is O. This is beautifully done. There is Ardh Chandra Bindu. Ardh Chandra. Ardh means we can create like this. About. About. Okay? We'll be giving you certain words for practice. Admit. Center. Miracle. Okay? Short vowel. Speak fast, loud. A very short vowel, not only short, but very short vowel. The tongue is raised to the midway position between the half and the half open in the non-final position and nearly half open in the final position. Lips are natural, medium opening between the jaws. The practice words are admit, lemon, the pen, center, conceit. Now see, not success, this is success. Success. Speak this way, success, not success. Who got success wrong? This is success. Success, immediately. Short vowel. So this was all about the sounds of vowels. I hope we'll be doing practice because the time is running short. These topics at least need 1 full year, maybe 2 years, life itself, knowing in a very good position. I'll be taking these consonant side straightway to the description side because that is going to give you very simple description. Clauses. So see here, the word is bilabial. This is consonant P and B. My dear friends, if you speak these words, the way they are used here, the way they are presented here, this skill will be very, very, very fantastic. So see, if I speak P, pass. If I speak boy, there is nothing different. If I speak pass, boy, the air passage. Don't speak this word also passage. This is passage. The air passage is completely blocked by closing the lip and raising the soft plate. Pass. Boy, that is B and P. We are speaking B and P. Don't get confused. The basic problem while doing the sounds is a confusion. It requires a lot of practice, and then you'll find then all will be coming together and creating a very beautiful things. So the air passage P. Try yourself. P. Your lips are opened. P. The air rushes out. In doing so, make an explosive sound. Air rushes out through your teeth. P. B. Okay? The vocal cord do not vibrate for P, but vibrate for B. Speak, B. There will be vibration in the vocal cord. But P, because air is thrown out, so no vibration. This you will notice. Now see here, We did that side, hen, pen, pen, but there we were doing vowel. Okay, but here we are doing consonant. So vowel and consonant, when we join both, that is why good teachers in English or good lecturer, professors of universities, okay, when they speak these words to students, they enjoy definitely because they know correct and every sound minutely. Okay, see here, pen. We speak that side A for this E. Okay, now speak P correct. Pen. We spoke that side pen. But now P we know that it is spoken like this. We need to speak as a short, will take a short time, pen. Pass. Okay, pass. We have given length to A. Okay, that is A. Pass. But P we have spoken immediately. Peace, post, pull, pay, be, tub, bow. So this is consonant sounds. This word is LV Allah. Speak this word LV Allah. LV Allah. T and D. As I said, T is T. These are the sounds used by, for example, at the beginning of the tell and do, respectively. The air passage is completely blocked. T, T. Nothing can come out, only T has come. D. So pressing the tip of the tongue against the teeth ridge. Teeth ridge means upper side. Okay? Upper side, teeth ridge. T, D. Speak like that, you would find that your tongue is touching the upper side, raising the soft plate. Okay? Then see, there are some words for practice. To, tea, try, toy, take, tell, but, coat, letter, did, dog. We are doing both now here, vowel sound as well as consonant sounds. These practice words can help you. Only then you will start enjoying. Then we have velar. Velar is back vowels. We have K, G. The air passage is completely blocked by pressing the back of the tongue against the soft plate and raising the soft plate itself. When the tongue is removed from the soft plate, the air rushes out and tongue. How this rushes out? Say K. Immediately the air comes out. Okay? G. So this comes like this. Makes an explosive sound immediately outside. The vocal cords do not vibrate for K but vibrate for G. As we have seen, the vocal cord was vibrating for B, not for P. But here it is again same. It is vibrating vocal cord K, no vibration. Immediately sound is coming out. But when we are speaking G, you create sound for G, there is a vibration in the vocal cord. There are words, this, kind, think, come, call, okay, looking, duck, all these are for practice. And this practice, as I said earlier, do with the help of these 3-4 simple rules we have told you. Affricatives T and D. What are affricatives? Example are the first consonant sound in the chair. This T and F, it is not T and F. The sound of consonant T and this F-type shape is called chaw. This D and 3, this is this 3, you see, digit D, then there is a 3-type figure you can see. T and this F-type is called chaw, and this D plus the other one is called jaw. So speak The air passage is narrowed by raising the front of the tongue against the hard plate and by raising the soft plate. The sound is produced by releasing the closer screws. The vocal cords do not vibrate for T, that is chaw, but vibrate for jaw. Again, same thing. If you do repeatedly, you would find that it is going to be very easy. Now see chaw. CH is chaw, choose. That is why many people, when they speak, CHO is Chopra and CHEM, it is chemistry. But when you do these sounds, 44 sounds correct, okay, lot of practice. And with that practice, you will come across that, yes, there is very scientific. Sound is scientific study of the language, speech, okay. So see here, choose, cheese, CH is T and this F type shape. Then GM is, you will see in the dictionary, I'm giving these side by side so that when you go to the dictionary to find any word, pronunciation of any word, you will notice that this is written as gem, jug, okay, jaw, jaw, joked, D and this opposite type of E. Then fricatives, this is F and V. We'll take a very short view of it. Okay. So F, you speak F, the air passage partially closed by pressing lower lip against the upper teeth. Speak F, don't speak F. When you close both the lips, so it is not going to give you sound of F. F will come only when you press the lower lip against the upper teeth. So the soft plate is in its raised position and nasal passage is closed. The air escapes through the narrow opening between the teeth and the lips. Okay? Air speak V, F. So you'll find that air is escaping. Right? So we'll be taking now, this is theta, dental, I think we are running short of time. Alveolar, we have S, D, Z. This I'll share with you. Not very difficult, as easy as we have already done. Because it requires good time. Only then we can make everything clear. So this PPT I'll try to share with you all so that when you find certain problem, you can make me a call anytime. I am just provide here semi-vowels. This particular rule is only very clear when you do phonetics, sounds of vowel and consonant, sound, okay? What are semi-vowels? J and W, they are semi-vowel. Wine, wide, one. You see, we speak O-N-E, W-O-N. That is why we use a before one. I saw a one-eyed person. And the teacher, when they speak that O is vowel, why we are using a before it? So the reason is because it is semi-vowel, and before semi-vowel we use a. So W is semi-vowel. Similarly, J is semi-vowel. Okay, we have J and W. How J is semi-vowel? I tell you one example. We have European. So we don't speak European. He is an European. Wrong. He is a European. Generally, teachers say there is a sound of U. No, there is sound of J. Okay, that is semi-vowel. U is pronounced J-U. European. Unit. So we use a before it. He is a European. He is a union leader, J. So these, please do them at home when I will share with you. So it is going to be like this. So there was certain sentences with me, and if those are spoken correct, then you will find a very wonderful thing about speaking. I'll be speaking 2-3 sentences here. so that you will find that how the sounds are wonders. They create wonders in your speaking skill. Okay, I'm speaking one sentence here. Please listen it carefully. Breath, 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 deep before you speak. If I speak it in using the sound correct, so it will be breath deep before you speak. Breath deep, breath deep, because there are two E's, so double E. Breath deep before you speak, like that. Okay? Long. The eggs are finished. All right? So this way, the sentence can be spoken. I had written few sentences. Mr. Akhtar, where is that page which I have written few sentences? Even that's not here. But it is going to be over. I'm just sharing that page. You have not put into it.